I started Revive Washing in 2016 to marry my passion for business with my passion for bringing people clean drinking water. I saw the water crisis firsthand when I spent time backpacking through countries in Asia. Our company has adopted the phrase, washing homes locally to bring clean water globally, because that's why our company exists. The biggest way that we differentiate our company is in the customer experience that we provide, from the start to finish of every job. From our helpful people in our office to our friendly and professional technicians, we want to make sure that our customers are feeling like they're receiving the best value for their money.
Our experience was great, starting with Graham coming in and washing and pressure washing. Our house was spotless, clean. Did a great job. We're very happy. Price was good. And we're really pleased with Revive.
Through our washing services, we donate a portion of every job to go towards the construction of global water projects. And in the next 4 years, it's our company's goal to sponsor 64 hand-dug water wells for people who've never had clean water to drink. We want to be more than a company that just makes a profit. We want to create impact and change lives with the help of those who hire us.